What's up, YouTube? Just making a little video about filling in a trench. Made a deal with a guy who ran a line that I'll fill in the trench if he pull out a couple stumps with his bigger machine. So he needs the John Deere 1025R today just to fill in this little tract here, as you can see. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment. Thank you. That's how you fill in the hole. I'm gonna put some wood over here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give a comment, make sure you hit the subscribe button.